Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. The desire to succeed means nothing without the will to prepare. Everyone, get ready with your notebook, pencil. Sit straight. Make your back straight. Tell me, how are you all? Relaxed? Wants to learn? Very good. Now first, write the date and day on the right corner of your book. Write today's date and day. Now, write the heading, Chapter 12, Multiplication Readiness. multiplication. Multiplication. readiness. Readiness. I hope you all are writing with me. What do you see when you look up at the sky? Clouds and birds. Perhaps. Sometimes you can see a plane. Which is bigger, a plane or a bird? Why does a plane look so small when it is up in the sky? How big is the sky? Can you count the stars? Till now, we have completed 3 exercises of this chapter. So first, let's make a quick revision of previous exercise and then we will try to solve new one. Identify the groups in the picture. Write how many in each group. So, in this first exercise, we will learn how to identify the picture, how to count it, and how to write it. In this picture, we can see 4 clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. We can see some sparrows. After counting, we can say that there are 6 sparrows. SPARROWS, sparrows. Here we can see planes, aeroplanes. So we make identification. Now let's count it 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 aeroplanes. aeroplanes, aeroplanes. First, identify the picture. So, we can say that there are kites, colorful kites. How many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites. Kites, kites. Balloons. In this image, we can see some balloons. How many balloons are there? 2 balloons. BALLOONS, balloons. 2 balloons. What is this? First of all, we have to identify the picture. So, here we can see some butterflies. So, first part completed. We make proper identification. Now, let's count it. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 butterflies. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. So my dear students, here we have completed the second part also. First we have to identify the picture, then we have to count it and write it. So revision of first exercise becomes completed. Second exercise, circle and count the number of equal groups. So here, first of all, we have to divide things in equal group. Afterwards, we have to count number of things or objects present in each group. In this image, we can see there are 3 groups of clouds, and each group has 4 clouds in it. One and 2. In this sum, we can say that there are 2 groups of and 1, 2 and 3 planes in each group. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 groups of birds. In each group there present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. 6 groups of 6 birds each. One, 2, 3. 3 groups of balloons. 1 and 2. 2 balloons in each group. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 butterflies in each group. So, this was the quick revision of exercise 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites in each group. This is the revision of exercise 3, which we have completed in previous lecture. First, we learn to identify the picture and count it. In the second part, we learn how to divide the things in equal groups, and after that make counting individual things. Here what we have to do? First, we have to find out groups. Then we have to find out how many objects are in each group. Then we have to find out total number of things. Find out how many in all. In this image we can see clouds. It is divided in 3 groups. 4 clouds in each group. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, there are total 12 clouds in all. We can see 2 groups of plane. 3 plane in each group. So 3 plus 3, there are 6 planes in all. Here we can say that there are 6 groups of birds. 6 birds in each group. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 times addition of 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 birds in all. In this image we can find 3 groups of balloons. In each group there are 2 balloons. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 6 balloons in all. Here we found 5 groups of butterflies. 7 butterflies in each group. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 5 times addition of 7. 5 sevens are 35. 35 butterflies in all. This was the revision of exercise number 3. We have already completed it. I hope you all have copied in your maths fair book. Four groups of kites. 5 kites in each group. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 20 kites in all. When you add the same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition. I would like to repeat. When you add the same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition. Let us see how to solve it. Use repeated, repeated. Addition, addition. Complete, complete. Sentences, sentences. Use a repeated addition to complete the sentence. So what is the meaning of a repeated addition? To repeat the same number again and again. Not only repeat, we have to add the same number again and again. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2, we get 6. So let us see what we have to do in this exercise. As you can see, there are 3 groups of books, and each group has 1, 2, 3 and 4 books inside it. You can see that there are 4 books, red color, blue color, green and pink as well. So we have to make addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, we get 12. 3 groups of 4 books. Each gives 12 books. Now see, in this sum, you can see some water bottles. See the arrangement. It is already divided in groups. It is divided in 4 groups. In each group, there are 1 and 2 water bottles. So, what we have to do? We have to make repeated addition. How? Let us see. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 is equal to 8. 4 groups groups of 2 water bottles. Each gives 8 water bottles. 4 groups of 2 water bottles each gives 8 water bottles. This exercise is called repeated addition. Repeated addition means to add the same number again and again. Now see, in this sum we have some pencils. It is divided in groups. See, how many groups are there? 1, 2 and 3. Now let us see how many pencils are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 3 groups of 5 pencils each gives 15 pencils. There are 3 groups and each group has 5 pencils in it. So, by making repeated addition, we get the answer 1, 5, 15. We can say that 3 groups of 5 pencils each gives 15 pencils. Yes, sum number D. Here we have to count erasers. See, it is divided in groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many erasers in each group? 1 and 2, which means we have to add number 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 10. 1, 0, 10. We can say that 5 groups of 2 erasers each gives 1, 0, 10 erasers. 5 groups of 2 erasers each gives 10 erasers. Now see, sum number E. Here we have to count given crayons. First of all, let us see in how many groups it is divided. It is divided in 2 groups. How many crayons are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crayons in each group. Means we have to add number 4 2 times. 4 plus 4. Tell me what will be the answer? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Two groups of 4 crayons each gives 8 crayons. In this sum, we have 2 groups of crayons and each group has 4 crayons in it. By making repeated addition of number 4 plus 4, we get the answer 8. So, we can say that there are 2 groups of 4 crayons each, which gives us 8 crayons. My dear students, here exercise 4 is going to be complete. Today, first we make revision of previous exercise and afterwards we learn exercise number 4. I hope your fair book is complete. As I told you before that this is the last chapter of our syllabus. Yes, some exercise are still remaining which we will complete in our next lecture. So, at your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.